Half of the workforce is ignoring AI. Microsoft just declared war on Amazon's chips, and Nvidia has built a voice AI that interrupts you, and it feels totally natural. I'm Etienne Newman, and this is your AI Unraveled flash briefing for Tuesday, January 27th, 2026. If you think everyone is using AI, think again. Gallup just dropped a bombshell report. 50% of US workers never touch the technology. The gap between the tech elite and the rest of the economy is widening into a chasm. Meanwhile, Microsoft isn't waiting for Nvidia anymore. They just launched the Maia 200, a homegrown chip designed to power GPT 5.2 and beat Amazon's hardware. The era of relying solely on GPUs is over. And speaking of Nvidia, they just released Personaplex, an open-source voice model that listens while it speaks. With reaction times faster than a human blink, the awkward pause in AI conversation is officially dead. But before you go, a question for the leaders listening. Are you drowning in dense legal text? Djamgamind is the new audio intelligence platform that turns 100-page healthcare or energy mandates into 5-minute executive briefings. Whether you are navigating Bill C-27, Canada, or the CMS 0057F interoperability rule, USA, our AI agents decode the liability so you don't have to. Start your specialized audio briefing today at djamgamind.com. In today's full episode, we dig into why SoftBank's $50 billion deal collapsed and what it means for the future of AI infrastructure. Click the link in the show notes now to listen to the full deep dive episode of today's AI Daily News Rundown.